1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hi everyone, so today we are starting our multiplication of decimal numbers. So multiplying decimal numbers, we always start on the right hand side with the top digit, and we don't worry about the decimal point until the end of the sum. So it's different to addition and subtraction, where the decimal point always goes underneath each other. In multiplication, we don't worry about the decimal point until the end of the sum. So first, we start on the right hand side with the top digit. We go 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. So we put down our 1, take over our 2. 2 multiplied by 7 equals 14, plus the 2 equals 16. So put down our 6, take over our 1, and then 7 or 4 multiplied by 7 equals 28. 28 and 1 equals 29. So in this sum, the decimal point is in 1, 2 places. So that means in our answer we have to take the decimal point in 2 places as well. So we go 1, 2. So it would go here. So 4.23 multiplied by 7 would equal 29.61. So we have to figure out where the decimal point is in the question. So it's 2 spaces in the question, so therefore in our answer it has to be 2 spaces in our answer as well. So then for 2a, we have 62.7 multiplied by 8. So again we start on the right hand side with the top digit, so 7 multiplied by 8 equals 56. So we put down our 6, take over our 5. 2 multiplied by 8 equals 16, plus 5 equals 21. So put down our 1, take over our 2, and then 6 multiplied by 8 equals 48, plus 2 equals 50. So then to figure out where our decimal point goes, we have to see how far in the decimal point, so it's only in 1 space. So therefore in our answer we have to put it in 1 space in our answer. So the answer would be 501.6. So you just need to be careful to see how many spaces the decimal point is in the question, and that will help us then know where to put the decimal point in our answer. And then for 3, they don't give us the decimal number. We have to figure out what the fraction is as a decimal. So the first one, if we were to do 3a, is 7 and 3 over 100. So you know 7 is the units point, and then 300s, and we know to the right of the decimal point is our tenths, and then to the right of the tenths is our hundredths. So if it's 300, it's 0 tenths and 300. So it would be 7.03 multiplied by 6, as all the numbers in 3 are multiplied by 6. And then for B, this is a little more challenging. So it's 2 and 32 over 100. So we know 32 over 100 equals 30 over 100 plus 2 over 100, and 30 over 100 is the same as 3 over 10. So we know to the left of the decimal point is units, so it's 2 units, 2 point, and we worked out 32 over 100 is 3 tenths, because 30 over 100, so it's the same as 3 tenths. So 3 tenths, so many tenths is 3, and 200. So 2 and 32 over 100 would be 2.32. And we're multiplying that by 6. And then C, if it was just tenths, and it's 24 and 7 tenths. So we know 2 is the tens, 4 is the units, decimal point, and then to the right of the decimal point is our tenths. And how many tenths do we have? We have 7 tenths. So we're 24.7 multiplied by 6. So you're going to complete D, E, and F. So D is similar to B, E is similar to A, and F is similar to C.